welcome to Otis Place. So in today's video, I'm just going to run you through my hair journey from my big chop to where I'm at today. I've been able to grow out my hair and retain length. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. So I had my big chop on the 16th of April 2019. Guys, before I had this big chop, I had transitioned for 7 months. If I had transitioned earlier for 6 months and just gave in and had a relaxer, I decided to try it again and I transitioned for 7 months before finally having my big chop. I did my big chop myself. My hair was just a mess. I had to get help to do it properly. But this is my big chop. My hair, I didn't know what to expect from my natural hair, but I just decided to take a chance. And this is a year after that big chop. You can see that my hair has made progress. It's looking longer. And I was very happy with how far my hair had gone. I had been incorporating some things I'm going to share with you later on in the video. So don't go away. This is the next stage, which I was so happy about. I got to see my hair grow gradually, guys. There was no overnight success, there was no overnight growth, and I think that's something that, as a message, I want to put out here. With patience, with consistency, a good hair routine, you will see your hair thrive, you will see your hair grow the way I've seen mine. This is a way of encouragement to anybody who wants to do a big chop or who has done a big chop, or maybe you not do a big chop recently but you've not seen your hair grow. This video is just to show you the different stages of growth for my hair. When I went natural, what I just wanted was to keep my routine simple. I like simplicity. So what I stuck to was making sure I washed my hair properly and regularly. I washed my hair every 2 weeks. Initially, I was doing once a week when I had my big chop, but I just realized that once a week was too much for me. I decided to take it to once every 2 weeks, and that was perfect for me. I still do that till now, although I miss here and there, but most times it is once every 2 weeks. So this is how my hair is presently. It has grown so much. You can see the difference. Apart from washing the hair on a consistent basis, I make sure I use a good shampoo. I use both sulfate shampoos and sulfate free shampoos because you actually need sulfate to lift up the dirt from your hair. Don't do too much of it, just have a balance. I also use sulfate-free shampoos, but I like using sulfate shampoo since I just wash my hair once every 2 weeks. Especially when I've done a protective style, I like to use a sulfate shampoo to take out all the dirt. I was also taking care of my scalp properly. A good scalp scrub is very good for your hair. It's not something you should do too often. I do that once a month and that's fine for me. A good scalp scrub will lift up all the dirt and leave my scalp feeling so good. I make sure on my wash day that I detangle my hair properly. I don't go in with a comb or a brush when my I don't even use it, but I don't go in with a comb when my hair is tangled. I do finger detangling before washing the hair. As I'm applying my conditioner and all in the shower, I also make sure I detangle the hair. Guys, I'm just looking at my curls and loving them. Don't mind me. After doing that, I also detangle the hair as in while I'm applying the conditioner. I make sure I deep condition my hair. I deep condition my hair on almost every wash day. If I miss, I just use a normal conditioner. That's when I don't have time to really sit down. But almost every wash day, I use a deep conditioner. And these things I've been doing have helped me retain length. I also apply a moisturizer or a leave-in treatment when I finish washing. I could use a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizer when I'm done washing. And after that, I make sure I seal that with a butter or an oil. I make my own oil mix and I also make my own whipped butters. I use African threading a lot for stretching my hair. When I want to have that blowout that I don't want to use heat for, I use African threading. Since I went natural, I've not used direct heat in my hair. Can you see the difference between the first video with the African threading and the second one? That's the difference in growth. And yeah, this is how my African threading blowout turns out. It's not perfectly straight, but it's something I can work with. It is good enough for me. The protective style I use a lot in this my natural hair journey is twist. Guys, if you're watched up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, there's a bell by the side. Click on it, select the all option so that whenever I post videos, you will get them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps tell YouTube that you're enjoying my content and they should share it to other people. For me, I believe getting the technique right is more important than the product to use. I've used really cheap products that have been very good for my hair. I've used some products that I spent a lot of money on and I wasn't happy with the results. The fact that a product is expensive doesn't mean it will work very well for you. And there are some products that are expensive and are worth every penny you spent on it. So it really depends on how the product is, what it's doing for your hair. What works on your hair might not necessarily work properly on somebody else's hair. This natural hair journey, we just try and try. I had tried and tried and tried, and I think I found out what really works for my hair. For the most part of my natural hair journey, I wasn't really experimenting with my hair. It was last year, 2022, I decided to try things like fenugreek, to try things like flaxseed. I had already been using aloe vera and cloves, but flaxseed, fenugreek, there's some, they are actually on the channel. There are videos on the channel showing all that. I'm going to link them. But my natural hair journey has been a simple one, has been an interesting one, and I'm going to use this medium to encourage you. If you're actually thinking of going natural, please go for it. Go for it. It is worth it. If you've been if you've been natural for a while and you're not seeing growth in your hair, I just advise that you try, just some simple things to your hair. I just advise that you try some things. Number one, get your blood work done just to make sure that you don't have any deficiency. Then you make sure you finger detangle your hair before you're introducing a comb to your hair. Make sure you wash your hair on a regular basis. That will really depend on you and your lifestyle. Make sure you cleanse your scalp properly. Make sure you deep condition your hair. You moisturize your hair and seal in that moisture, and then keep repeating. Just dedicate 3 to 6 months to this. Do it on a consistent basis and see if your hair will not change. Guys, I hope this video has encouraged one or two of you. You can see my progress from the very first day I had my big chop till now. It is possible. It is doable. Do have yourself a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.